Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, and I'm gonna show you how to enter the recovery menu on this watch. To start by pressing and holding the home button and the back button together, and we need to keep holding them until you see the Samsung logo with the rebooting message written under it. And once you see the Samsung logo with the rebooting message under it, you need to release the button and start pressing, or rather all buttons, and then start pressing the home button repeatedly to enter the boot menu. So let's do this. Let's press and hold the buttons, keep holding them until you see the Samsung logo with rebooting message under it, and once you see the logo, start pressing the home button repeatedly like this. And as you can see, we entered the boot menu. Now you can scroll through the list of options by pressing the home button repeatedly like this. Select the option called the recovery, and once you select the option recovery, press and hold the home button to confirm like this. And now let's wait until the watch boots into recovery menu. As you can see, we booted into recovery menu. You can move through this menu by swiping up or down on the screen like this, and confirm the selections by swiping left or right on the screen. And in this menu we have options like reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data / factory reset, wipe cache partition, mount / system, view recovery logs, run graphic test, run local test, and power off. If you want to exit this menu, you can select a power off option or reboot system now. If you select power off option, the watch will turn off, and if you select reboot system now, it will boot into a system. So select one of the options, and then, like I said before, swipe left or right on the screen to confirm. And as you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you enter the recovery menu on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.